yung superhero. So anytime, any project na superhero ako, kahit may mga kasama akong mga team, parang feeling ko kasi nag-enjoy ako to wear costume. So yeah, definitely it's Blue Water Days. Kasi it's my favorite spot every time I need time to relax, recharge, and to, just breathe. So yeah, Blue Water Days pa talaga.
Let's dive into the details of that. Since we've already know that you go to Blue Water Day Spa for the pamper session. Let's get into the details. So, what are your favorites? If you have, can you enumerate your favorite treatments that you usually take or go through?
Well, dalawa lang naman yung halos lagi kong binubong na service sa kanila. It's the traditional Balinese massage and Thai yoga. Kasi when it comes to Balinese massage, talagang, syempre sa work namin, laging may taping po yan, and yung mga ilaw, tapos yung rehearsal or workshop, nakakikita siya ng tension. So, madalas pa naman yung mga unwanted stress, like kahit sa taping, traffic pa lang, pagdating mo sa work, talagang medyo you feel burnout na. So, but when I feel that way, I always go to Blue Water Day Spa, mag-Balinese traditional Balinese massage ako, and yun, I feel good, and I feel more relaxed and calm after. And syempre, alam naman ng mga tao, especially sa mga naka-follow sa akin sa social media, lagi ako nakikita nag-workout ako. I always do workout, lagi ako may mga activities like workout. So, yun, pag masakit na yung katawan ko rin, nag-burnout na yung muscles ko, nagtatay yoga ako kasi it stretches my body and it balances my body and also yung blood circulation ko. So definitely, doon, okay na ulit yung katawan ko. I'm ready for another week. I'm ready to face other challenges, activities, and definitely, isa sa paborito ko after tayo, guys, yung masarap yung tulog ko after.
Fully recharged talaga after that pamper session. Pero TJ, you have been very busy. You've been talking about it over and over. Your schedule is jammed. So how do you still find time for self-care?
Well, to be honest, it's really challenging sa totoo lang. Pero, parang, for me, lahat naman tayo kasi masisipag. Lahat tayo, we always work hard. So, natutunan ko yun throughout the years na, I can't pour an empty cup. So, kailangan ko talagang, because I'm always using my energy and I'm always giving my energy. So, I need to recharge, to regenerate. So, sinet ko talaga yung goal ko na, once a week, kailangan ko mag-visit sa Blue Water Days pa para at least talagang makapagpahinga ako. Kasi kailangan ko alagaan yung sarili ko eh. And after that, it works for me kasi every time na mag-visit ako ng Blue Water Days pa, kinabukasan, I'm ready to face another day. Parang feeling ko, I'm ready, kahit ano challenges yan. So, it helps me a lot.
I love that. Thank you so much. Very well said, TJ. And now I believe we are so ready to hear questions from our media friends. So, I believe at this point, again, we are opening the floor for a quick Q&A with our new Blue Water Day Spa brand ambassador, TJ Marquez. If you have questions, please feel free, raise your hands, and our team will hand you over a microphone. Yes, I think we do have here one. The microphone here, over here, yes, please.
Hi, DJ.
Hi.
Question, kasi syempre nakapag-acting, hosting, and even content creation ka na. Ano ba yung gusto mong i-try na ba?
Siguro ngayon, talagang gusto ko i-try more business, mag-business naman. Kasi parang of course gusto ko pang magkaroon ng mas maraming opportunities sa showbiz projects, but siguro kailangan ko rin mag-try ng para business side. For me, parang feeling ko, it's about time.
Thank you.
Entrepreneurial. All right, sir?
Hi, DJ.
Hi.
First, congratulations on the endorsement. Yeah, I have a question na, is there a dream project or dream actor or actress na gusto maka-work with DJ Marquez?
Lagi kong binabanggit, gusto ko talagang mag-play ng superhero. So anytime, any project na superhero ako, kahit may mga kasama akong mga team, parang feeling ko kasi nag-enjoy ako to wear costume. So parang masarap yun, magsisave, may kontrabida, may mga ganong monster na kalaban. But kung actress naman, mga actor, siguro kahit anong role, basta siguro makatrabaho ako si Miss Julian Santos. It will be exciting for me.
Thank you and congrats.
One lovely choice, Julian Santos. Oh my
Diba?
God, I love. Who doesn't want to work with Miss Julian Santos? Yes, another question from our friend. Yep.
Hi DJ, congratulations to your new endorsement. Madam Santon Stars ko to. I just want to ask, alam naman nating bongga yung Blue Water Days pa, di ba? Meron silang theater. Have you tried to yung kanilang theater habang nagpo-put spa dun sa kanilang theater?
To be honest, hindi pa. But nakapasok ko sa itinerary ko. So definitely next week na-try ko kasi balita ko. Like, isipin mo nagpapahinga ka na, tapos may entertainment pang kasama. So parang isa yun sa mga privilege na makakuha mo, luxury na makakuha mo once na nakapag-member ka sa Blue Water Days pa. So isa yun sa mga talagang nasa list ko na mga unang gagawin. So, especially next week, lalo na after this. So, babalitaan kita, babalikan kita kung anong feeling.
Pero Phil, ano lang, ang follow-up question lang, sino yung sasama mo once you do that, na mananap ka ng theater with a spa?
Siguro si Miss Mary muna, si Miss Nancy muna. Ano makita nila na nag-enjoy talaga. But definitely siguro hanap pa. Mahirap naghahanap pa. But siguro sila Miss Mary muna.
Thank you DJ and congratulations to you.
Ang dami kasing treatments, no? There's so much to try. And then, in just one visit, you cannot try everything. So, diba? So, TJ has got to try that out. So, next up, I believe we have question pa from our friend. Yes.
Hi, DJ. Nico from Talk PH. What hobbies do you enjoy when you're not working?
Well, aside from working out, siguro yung mga close friends ko sa mga nakakilala sa akin, alam nila na mahilig ako kumain kahit hindi halata. Mahilig din ako magluto. So lagi ako nasa grocery, bibili ng makakain, tapos nagpe-prepare ako ng pagkain ko. And pag nasa bahay, lagi kami nag-play ng movie full day. So habang kumakain, nood lang kami ng series at mga pelikula.
Follow-up question lang, you mentioned business. What type of business do you see yourself pursuing?
Kasi na-try ko na mag-skincare business, but siguro, I'll try pa rin siguro coffee shop or mga food, mga ganyan. Kasi talagang, inuman yung mga mas mabenta sa atin ngayon, like yung mga kinakain talaga.
Thank you so much.
Especially TJ loves to eat. Kanina, diba, he was able to mention that it is his hobby, diba? And so I believe we have one more, our final question.
Hi TJ, congrats. What does self-care mean to you? What does self-care mean to you, especially in an industry that, especially in the industry?
I think, sa industry namin, I think self-care is knowing when to pause. Kasi for sure, alam naman natin na na-overwhelm lahat ng celebrities, kung anong meron sila, yung mga blessings. Pero kailangan alam natin kung kailan tayo mapapahinga, huwag natin sabihin yung sarili natin. Kasi pag siningil tayo na, di ba, mahirap pag-sumobra. Sayang naman lahat. So, kailangan natin alagaan yung sarili natin, protektahan yung sarili natin because our body is our temple.
Very well said. Now we are down to our final question. Yes.
Good afternoon po, I'm Vincent from Business Mirror. So, since today po is the launch of you as a new ambassador po, so how do you feel when you found out that you were chosen as one of the new faces po of Blue Water Days po?
How do I feel? Sobrang happy syempre. And sobrang grateful ako na naging part ako ng Blue Water Days family. That's why gusto ko na rin kunin itong opportunity na ito para magpasalamat sa Blue Water Days family, kay Miss Mary, kay Miss Nancy, and sa lahat po ng buo ng Blue Water Days pa, sa mga nagbigay sa akin ng chance at opportunity, and to my management, sa manager ko, si Sir Arnold Bigafria, sa Young Talent Circuit, at sa inyo pong lahat. Masasarap po nung dito na parte ng pagpili po sa akin. Maraming salamat.
And I believe we are down, TJ, I'm sorry, we have final question from our friend. Are they here? Yes? We have the very final question. There you go.
Hi, Terry from GMA.
Hello.
PJ, kasi marami ng celebrities niya, especially actors. Do you get pressure to stay in shape and pati sa talent mo? And what do you do to maintain your status?
Ako naman when it comes to yung physical looks, ganyan. I always, I'm a very health conscious at saka self-aware naman ako. Inaalagaan ko yung sarili ko kasi alam ko yung pinasok ko ng trabaho. So dapat namin alagaan yung sarili namin. Not just physically, but emotionally and, mentally. And kung yun sa talent naman, syempre we do workshop. And thankful din ako that I still have other opportunities not just here in the Philippines, like Indonesia, Malaysia. So pag feeling ko wala akong trabaho, yun, message ko sila and then they give me projects. But sabi ko kasi, mas priority ko muna dito sa Pilipinas, nagagawin ako dito. So, thankful naman ako na I'm blessed and at least kahit pa paano, nag-juggle ko pa rin yung work and kung paano ko alagaan yung sarili ko. With the help, syempre, ng mga ganitong klaseng pampering, like Blue Water Days pa. Kasi kung wala to, parang feeling ko mag-burnout talaga ako. So, sobrang thankful ako na may ganitong opportunity. May mga ganitong mga luxury na pwede natin makuha para maalagaan yung sarili natin.
Siguro singin ko na lang, you were called kanina international actor. How does it feel?
Actually, hindi naman siya pumapasok sa isip ng international actor, pero pag talagang inisip ko na lang talaga na sobrang surreal yung feeling. Kasi konti lang yung mga nabibigyan ng opportunity na makapagtrabaho sa ibang bansa. At ako naman, sobrang na-enjoy ko kasi parang nasa Pilipinas rin naman ako pag nandun ako sa Indonesia. Talagang yung language lang yung iba. Same lang yung work ethics, pati yung time. So, sobrang thankful ako na nabibigyan ako ng opportunity not just here, but also sa ibang bansa. Like, kung gaano rin ako ka-happy na yung mga ibang mga celebrities dito na nabibigyan din sila ng chance. And yung ngayon, may mga celebrities tayo na ipapasok din dito na from other countries. Kaya nakakatuwang isipin.
Thank you so much for being so generous with your answers, TJ. And again, to our media